You will spend about 1/3 of your entire life doing this one thing, lying still, eyes closed, completely unconscious. Tonight, you'll do it again without even trying. But almost nobody knows what's actually happening during those 8 hours. Here's the truth. It's stranger than you think. The moment you close your eyes, your brain doesn't turn off. It starts a countdown. Within a few minutes, your muscles relax, your breathing slows, and your brain waves begin to change shape. This is stage 1. It's so light that if someone woke you up right now, you might not even believe you were asleep. This is also the stage where you might feel that strange falling sensation, and your whole body jerks awake for no reason. Almost everyone has felt this. Nobody fully knows why it happens. A few minutes later, you drop into stage 2. Your body temperature starts to fall. Your heart rate slows down. Your brain sends out short, sharp bursts of electrical activity, almost like it's checking that everything outside is still safe before it lets you go any deeper. Then comes deep sleep. And this is where things get strange. Your brain cells actually shrink, just slightly, making more space between them. Through that space, fluid starts washing through your brain, flushing out waste that built up all day while you were thinking, working, and using your brain nonstop. Scientists only discovered this relatively recently. Your brain is quite literally cleaning itself, and it can only do this one way while you're in deep sleep. At the same time, your body is releasing growth hormone, repairing muscle, healing tissue, and strengthening your immune system. This is the stage where your body does most of its physical repair work for the entire day. About 90 minutes after you fall asleep, something completely different happens. Your brain suddenly becomes almost as active as it is right now while you're watching this. Some parts even become more active. Your eyes start moving rapidly behind your closed eyelids. This is where dreams happen. But here's the part that should worry you a little. At the exact same moment your brain wakes up, your body switches off. A signal from your brain blocks your arms and legs from moving at all. You are, for a few minutes, completely paralyzed on purpose by your own brain. It's not a malfunction, it's a safety switch, so you don't act out whatever is happening in your dream. Most nights this switch works perfectly, but sometimes it doesn't turn off fast enough after you wake up. Your eyes open, your mind is awake, but your body still won't move. This is called sleep paralysis, and it is one of the most common frightening experiences a human being can have, and it is completely real. This entire cycle, light sleep, deep sleep, dreaming sleep, repeats about 4 to 6 times every single night, each cycle roughly 90 minutes long. And here's what almost nobody knows. As the night goes on, your deep sleep gets shorter and your dreaming sleep gets longer. That means the wildest, most vivid dreams you have usually happen right before you wake up. Now, here's why none of this is optional. There is a real disease. It's incredibly rare, and it's called fatal familial insomnia. It slowly takes away a person's ability to sleep at all. Not for one night, forever. Without deep sleep to repair the body, and without dreaming sleep to reset the brain, the person doesn't just feel tired, their body starts shutting down. Most people with this disease die within a year or two of the symptoms starting. Sleep isn't rest, it's maintenance your body cannot survive without. Even without a rare disease, too little sleep is dangerous. After about 24 hours awake, your brain starts working about as poorly as if you were legally drunk. Push past that, and your brain starts forcing micro-sleeps on you. Tiny naps lasting only a few seconds, even with your eyes open, whether you want them or not. This is one of the leading causes of deadly car accidents around the world. So tonight, when you close your eyes, remember what's actually about to happen. Your brain is going to wash itself clean, your body is going to lock itself in place. And somewhere around minute 90, a movie is going to start playing inside your head that you will probably forget within minutes of waking up. If this made you think differently about something you do every single night without noticing, imagine what else your body is doing without your permission. Subscribe.